It's a no talk day.
Silence.
You know, if you continue like this, people go off their TV.
They don't go off.
Then go off them.
They don't go off.
I just want to say something, and this thing is quite important to me.
Why? I don't like what I see for screen.
For my face, Abi?
No, for two of us.
How?
My head come big.
Me, my face come white.
Your face come white.
It can't be like one of my eye big past one.
Your head come small.
Because
No, be your this thing. Hair sound like this now.
It's
can't
better.
know my hair. It doesn't even. But if that's me idea on the closer shot and you do on the father shot. Mm-hmm. Like so. No be saying.
So I just want to say, Mokuna no put on for single. There's something.
No,
wrong
my
with
you supposed go near, go close. me, I supposed go back
it
small.
was farther from the thing.
In my head, just me. Woo. Anyway,
So, Ogbolo, you have to compliment my boldness.
yes, your boldness for your new hairdo.
Yes.
That you go and did.
It's very important to me because I've never done short hair in my life.
Hey.
I've never done any hair when they go cover neck.
Give her a clap offering.
Because I feel say I thin. I feel say I no fat. So if I do short hair, my neck go come long. My head go come small. Now waiting me I dey feel. You understand? So they just tell me today, lifey, of course. Lifey say, try am. Now that long hair what they carry before, now he cut.
In cut. Okay.
Now the same hair, he just cut him. He can say, try am. I say, no. Try it, don't try it today. I just say, you know what? I'm going to take the boo by the horn. And I took the boo by the horn. And I did a short hair. And now I'm so proud of myself. I didn't think that I would be able to pull this off, but I did. Yes, it's a very touching story. Stories that touch.
Mayowa, try Bab Kodo.
Why now? Why are you taking it too far?
Try Bab. See, you know what I tell you so? I'm quite proud of somebody. You know what I mean? Try Bab Kodo. It's not everybody that can go on the low cut.
I'm telling you.
And see appear very.
You know, for women, not everybody can go on short hair and still look very fine.
Yes.
Not everybody can go on low cut, especially low cut, and still look fine. If you could do low cut without makeup and you still find my sister, you're a fine girl.
You're a fine girl.
That is the truth. You're a fine girl. Because as I am like this, I'm next to not wearing earring.
But you do okay like this.
But you know, I know the two wear earring. I'm just trying to say I'm a fine girl.
Yeah, fine. No, you're a natural.
Let's just move on.
But you know you get one teeth like we did very okay.
And this one?
Your rabbit teeth. No, your rabbit teeth we did for front.
This one?
Yeah, they fit you well.
A rabbit teeth.
You know those that your strong, one of your strong points.
That's my strong attraction.
Yeah, you know, you're like.
You understand? Alright, welcome everybody to Paddy Show. Mayowa, as usual, and Ogbolo, we still there here. We never change. We don't intend to go anywhere. We are right here. You are stuck with us. And happily so.
Valentine, no.
Valentine is 2 days from now.
2 or 3 days.
3 days from now. It's a Valentine.
Hey. Even your boo got a boo.
A boo, a boo.
Baby boo.
Oh, a boo. That's a boo. Please, I have one advice.
For who?
I have one advice for people.
For who?
Especially for young girls.
Yeah.
And now I'm not old like that, but at least I've matured to a reasonable, to an extent.
Yeah.
Young girls, especially the one who see the secondary school.
Yeah.
My sister, go to school, respect yourself. Valentine is not for you.
No.
It's for mature people.
No. You can value your father.
Valentine is not a day to go and disvirgin yourself. Please. And they talk this to people, they say, but not the truth. On Valentine's Day, hey, the kind of promiscuity.
Oh.
The kind of I just.
You go there, pop. Not the pop.
The kind of promiscuity.
It's not there to pop yourself. Please.
Mothers, fathers, is a Sunday. Keep your children at home, especially underage. It's not by Valentine is not for, especially in this part of the world. In some other parts, if it is different.
Yes.
But this Nigeria where we did, this Lagos where me I did, if you are underage, stay in your house. Valentine is not for you.
Please, there's time for everything. Oh.
You should not even know the meaning.
Yes. Now they teach everybody everything now.
So, because I'm just tired. I'm tired. But Valentine, 9 months after Valentine, you'll be seeing small children everywhere, babies everywhere.
Offsprings.
Please, that's not the essence. The essence is not a disvirgining day. It's not a hanger leg hanging day.
Please.
Let us go yandy.
Offspring.
I'm taking it past now.
Child.
Liar. I just come back from London. Liar. I just come back from London. Liar.
Neck. You see I go die neck?
That year.
Oh, not right. The neck still there.
Still there. But at least you don't wear things where they cover them.
Packaging don't cover the thing. That
it.
neck, that neck. If you do it for the other side of the fence,
it's a longitudinal action.
Oh, Gada.
Yeah, what?
Gada. You know, it's a form of expression when I'm tired of something.
All right, okay. You know what I want to... It remains smart for Sound Like Radio now. I want to accept 38 minutes past the hour of 11 o'clock. It went small for just Sound Like Radio.
38 minutes, not work past where 11 o'clock stand up put.
The cut eye for us, it was about far on this paddy ski below. All right, give us the yarn. We'll move straight into the gist for the day. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
So the first gist one I get for you is 5 decades. That's 5 generations. Now, if people don't know what a decade mean, a decade na 10 years. For every 10 years, now 1 decade. All right? So 5 decades now 5 generations, from great-great-grandmother to great-grandmother to grandmother to mother to pikin to child. You know, 5. So I get this photo of these people I want to give you from starting from left to right. Now the great-great-grandmother, then the great-grandmother, and the grandmother, and the mother, and then to the last pikin where they. So yeah, that is the, look at it. Generations, 5 generations.
Wow.
Great-grandmother, grandmother, all right? Grandmom, great-grandmother, great-great, great-grand, mom, and child.
Wow.
You see it? 5 generations. 5 generations. It's beautiful.
Well, we thank God because this one...
Me, my own. No need.
Your own?
Your
grandmama?
No, only my mama.
Oh, your own...
But maybe when me try...
You drop, it can't be 3. That means your own gas to drop quick too. Your own gas to drop quick. So your mama self go fit, you know, say... I think 4 generations go your day.
Go your day.
But this one are 5. Who won't beat them?
My brother. But why be saying only women? Why man no they get generation? You don't. I never really see man generation like that because now all this kind of thing, no send them as long as Osusu the enter. You understand?
At the end of the day, now it's the most important thing be that. That's the most important thing. But it's not a lovely thing. I mean, it give people, you know, one kind of hope for. But they say, you know, life is worth living at the end of the day.
Yeah.
This one no concern money. This one about the fact, this one a family. This one not be money, na family be this. And nothing as beautiful
and
as
all of them still there. That the youngest one can never go astray except if there's a mistake somewhere.
They must teach them. They pass wisdom. Yes. They give them boom, 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 boom.
It's a beautiful thing.
But imagine the first one. That first one, we still born.
That one
at
1202 BC.
Oh, Jadalagaye. Anyway, we thank the Lord for life.
You go know, say, see the mama, you go know, say, na swag.
Na swag.
You know, say, she take do her own pose. You go know. All right, let's go.
Okay, thank you very much for the 5 generation people. Yes, now 5 generation people now. What's wrong with you?
Ogbono, when you are old, I think you still be cute.
Yeah. I'll just try.
Yeah, your face go down like him.
No, go be like. My face no go drop. No. What's wrong with you?
You sure?
No.
Okay, like you.
No. You no go stand like that.
Like
and
this,
you no go drop. You no go do. No. Why they worry now? Why they have my old age?
No, I think your face will drop. But I think your face will be like this.
No. Everybody face go drop like that now. But I go do surgery.
To lift them.
To lift them. The face no go dey smile. No go dey vex. Just like you know, every time you all look surprised. Yeah, how are you? Anyway, okay. Mercy Bus. Now they call this one Mercy Bus. The Catholic Diocese of Salford, for inside Northwest England, don't come up with this unique initiative, you know, to reach out to the masses. A church on wheels. Now they call this one Mercy Bus.
Let me guess.
Guess.
Let me guess.
Yes.
Let me guess.
Yes.
You go feel they do confession as the car they move.
Exactly. You understand? So as it be like this now, you ain't no green waka go church. They come carry call your house. for motor for double decker.
Or you see and they pass.
You see and they pass. You say, you're wrong. Go where they did.
Stop. I have a confession. Father, I have a confession.
See the messy boss. So as it be, Father Frankie Mulgrew, will be the brain behind the mission, reveal talk say Pope Francis 9 days behind the inspiration to do this one. So he's saying just waka go Rome, go collect blessing, and then they also came in the carry this waka go give their fellow Catholic people them. So now as it be, after the prayer and everything, even gifts they follow the thing himself, where Pope Francis himself bless. You know, I used to say Catholic people, then they play with all these things. As far as now,
Pope bless him.
Pope they bless up. I collect the gifts. But this one, now good initiative, Sha. They carry the church come your house, anywhere you day for street. So rather than say you want to waka go to the church, go do your confession. Or if you want to go for mass, for
or if you are too shy to go to the church, or you know some people they don't go want enter. They say I don't want people to see me. Say I they enter.
Exactly, go they do confession things, you know. But this one very beautiful initiative. So that means confession for street like this. So just go say, man, I just go be one person now, and I don't think it's the Father will just pray for you on top of the whole thing. Father Frankie will just bless you, pray for you for there. Just bless you, do different things. From there, just give you the sign of the cross and say, man, your confession has made you whole. You can now go. If gifts can't follow the whole thing. So based on the gifts alone, say if you don't go to confess, which you not do, But anyway, I believe in a very, very beautiful initiative. And this particular one, they call them Church on Wheels, Mercy Bus. But for the other side, though, for Northwest England, we believe if they do it for a year, they can do it here.
Yes.
Because we get confession to confess plenty.
My brother.
Plenty confession.
My brother, no even go there.
Father, did they try you?
No go there.
They just
the kind things where they hear. My brother, no go there. Not only fathers, even for people, for Christians, because I don't want to talk because different religions they where they listen to us. But even for if you practice the religion of Christianity, even for people where they do pastoral something for the Christian something like the general overseer, the pastors, even counselors. My brother, the things where then they hear sometimes when then they counsel you, when they tell you of some stories where then they hear, or the ones where then they treat.
You say go say,
fear.
My own Alena.
My own they carry that L sign.
Na L sign, and the stamp L sign for my own. Because if you hear this thing, and to be all this kind of father or pastor or that means you must learn how not to judge. Because if you go to be kind of person who go judge, when you hear some kind of things, only you go to judge the matter. So well, it takes another level of spiritual maturity to handle some kind of issues. But what this one would talk about, so now very beautiful and waka with the carry come. Mercy Bus, Church on Wheels. All right? Okay, now there, first gist.
You were so violent. My God, let's go on a break, please.
I'm so professional. Please, let's go on a break, please.
You were so violent. This is an act
I'm so
of
professional.
violence.
Please.
Who squeezes a delicate paper like this?
I go squeeze your own joint.
All right, for those of you who don't understand, he said all of those things in a Nigerian language called the Yoruba dialect. So yes, if you know here, I don't know how I want to translate them because it's in plenty. For somebody like you now, you used to claim that you hear, but you do not hear anything. Our friendship is not very tight because you don't hear my language.
See, racism. On national TV, you are racisizing against me. Waiting. Racisizing.
Your English is useless.
Come on.
Your English is useless.
You are on top national TV. You show the whole world say you are a racist. Even though I don't understand, I know say the guy they talk different things, prayer things. Now they talk for flash drive, remove every virus, for the fruit, for watermelon. Talk about mess, different things. What's wrong with you? I know these things because I don't understand everything. But I know say the guy funny. Racist like you.
Ascolobito. That's there. All right, so the next is when I get
for you. If I speak a white bomb, now I go here.
Yes.
If I speak Igbo, now I go here.
Yes.
Merci.
You are greeting me. That's Calabar. That's Calabar. Merci. That's Calabar.
Isido.
Isido is still Calabar.
See, na Akwa Ibom be that one.
What's wrong with you? Why have you missed your way like this?
Miss which way?
Why you are a prodigal son?
Look at this girl. You racism girl. Look at you. Read the story. Racist.
All right, so I'm gonna tell you this now for all the women where they outside there. Women's generation of women's from decades and above.
Yes.
I just want to tell you, say when it comes to marriage, and when it comes to people where you won't spend, nobody sabi and finish, but I beg, make you try, they look for red flags. No, they ignore red flags because of love. This particular woman now, her name now, Noella Rukondo. Now, one of the few people for this world where claim she attend her own funeral. She attend her own burial. Ask me, say, how it take happen?
How it take happen?
They say this one, now the guy where she married. Now, this particular guy, about a year, this guy na refugee from Congo. So she na translator for him, for work. Okay. Now translator she be na her work be that. So she na translator for him. So for in the midst of translator, you know, be translating for him, be translate love into her mind, and then she too to translate love into his mind. So they have now loved themselves, they come and marry. They have 3 children. She say as she come marry and finish, she realize say in childhood, he get some kind of abusive childhood. When we say they make the guy violent sometimes. She says she knows saying get violent attitude, but she not believe say if he try to kill her.
Wow.
Now her grandmama burial then go for.
Her grandmama burial?
Yes.
Okay.
So when she did the hotel where her family people did, you can't call her say, hello baby, can you come out for just some fresh air with me? As she come out like this, now one man she see where point gun give him. They come blindfold her, carry her go. When they carry her go, then they come there and say, come, wait till you do your husband. Where you go pay us 7,000 Australian dollars, make we kill you. Now she say, what you even they talk about? I'm not doing anything. Now you say, well, they do not believe in killing women. They don't believe in killing women. To even give them proof, to give her proof, then call her husband there and then. She hear in voice when he say, when I don't catch him, kill him. Now they say, we go leave you, make you they go. Go tell other stupid women. They make you know they carry all your mind, they give man like that too. Because they don't believe in killing women, and then free her. But they carry the money, go, then free her. Now she begin hide. She say, according to her, she say when they investigate, say the guy say in the fear, say because it be like say she won't leave him for another man. That's why I say may go kill her.
So she can't attend her own funeral.
They do because the people them tell the guy say they don't kill her now. So in come one day arrange funeral. Now she go there, go see, say, okay, who they won't even bury? This is what they tell you.
Now she show.
Now so it be.
What? But anyway, because as we talk now, because if you don't talk, say, okay, make person no carry on in full man, then time marriage, one thing. It's dicey.
It's dicey.
So for me, now make anybody see, now make your eye not see bad thing.
That's why I first talk, say,
because I believe in giving your all for marriage.
No, of course.
You understand? Say it happen like this, not mean say so many others know they happen
of course.
But a very, very wrong thing. And anyway, very sad gist. But last night they will catch the man, arrest him, and the woman feel gone with her life.
At the end of the day, I just want to talk. Say some people they meet 4 months, then they marry.
True.
Then they meet 2 months, then they marry. But I beg, when you see red flags, no ignore them. I sure say family members they way you feel talk to people about things. They way you feel do. You know understand? No be to just keep them happy.
Things they happen. Everything is a bit like action film sometimes.
It's tired person.
But
stop your gist. Time day.
Well, for my own last gist, based on say we got to come out. Wait, now onions now. Now onions. I carve onions with my paper.
Oh Lord.
All right. Now this one, I believe say most Lagos people, or those people they wait there for other side of the country where they live near water. This kind of story will help you. Because now road just full anyhow. Everybody they take road transportation for places like Lagos where go slow now our second name. Go slow. Hold up. Not just go slow, sir. Go slow.
Go slow.
They move small. Hold up. Road go turn to car park. They look say if they move, I know they move. Everybody just stay, they just lock up on road. This guy now, for the past 15 years, for Maryland, now this one they happen though, and for Obodo Igbo for US of A. Now. What's his name, self? Gabriel Hochler. Gabriel Hochler, 71 years old now he be. For the past 15 years, where Gabriel they go work, they go work one morning just to say, hold up your whole land for road. Now he say, how can we escape this thing now? They go work every time late. Now you look. You just see river where they by the other side. He said, but come on, why nobody pass the river, they go their own office. And that river just, pass where you're supposed to pass, go work. Now the next day, you carry Okada, you go reach one place, come down from the Okada, enter the boat, come dey roll. He go roll the thing, reach one place near him office, come down, come enter Okada, do the remaining one, reach him office. He say for the past 15 years now wetin they do be this, and the thing don work for am so far, so good. I mean, na good thing. Maybe we say for this part of the world, can they learn how to, can they even they roll
I
the boat.
agree with you. Yes. We've been go Ikorodu one time like that for inside city of Lagos, and then we decided to take the boat. Ogbolo, it was just a fast. I don't know why. In fact, when we reach the depot, we see a lot of boats where then abandoned. The government needs to start looking into this. Yes. I'm telling you, it's a very good way of means of
for places like Lagos, Calabar, you know, some kind of places where water dey. Port Harcourt, where water dey. You know, road transportation, we're supposed to encourage them. I beg. Government, please, look into this, please. Laugh the laugh.
Thank you so much, everybody. We don't stick with us on Top Paddy
Monday.
Today. Follow us for Twitter, please, at Wazobia Paddy. At Wazobia Paddy. And please, don't render people bullets.
Please.
And young girls that you are underage, stay in your house. Valentine's not for you. Let's go.
Peace, yo.
Let's go.
Wait. If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.